Good morning students, welcome to Shivaji Group of Solutions online classes. Students, this is a maths class and we are doing chapter 5. So, today we will discuss exercise 5C. So, take out your book and open page number 87. Okay? Exercise 5C. So students, question number 1, write each of the following decimals in expanded form. It means we have to convert these decimals into expanded form. So if we have to change the decimals into expanded form, so first we have to know about the place value chart. About the place value chart. Okay. This one is decimal sign. This one is decimal sign. Here, ones place number, tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place. Thousands place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place. Here, tens place. Here, tens place, hundreds place, hundreds place, and this one is thousands. This one is thousands place. Okay. Ones place means one, tens place, 10, hundreds place, hundreds, and thousands place, thousand. Tens place, 1 upon 10, hundreds place, 1 upon 100, and thousands place, 1 upon 1000. This is the place value chart. Okay, this is the place value chart. Look, if we have a question 149, and here we have a question 267.149, and we have to put these digits into place value form, in their place value form. So 7 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place, 2 is in hundreds place. 7 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place, 2 is in hundreds place. 1 is in tens place, 4 is in hundreds place, and 9 is in thousands place. Okay. With the help of this place value chart, we can find the place value of each digits. Okay. We can find the place value of each number. So how? The place value of 7 is in ones place, so we multiply 7 by 1. So the place value of 7 is 7. Place value of 7 is 7. The place value of 6 is in tens place, so the place value of 6 is 60. The place value of 2 is in hundreds place, the place value of 2 is 200. Okay. Now the place value of 1 is in tens place, so the place value of 1 is 1 upon 10. The place value of 4 is in hundreds place, so the place value of 4 is 4 upon 100. 9 is in thousands place, so the place value of 9 is 9 upon 1000. Understood? With the help of this place value chart, we can find the place value of each digits easily. Okay? So now come to our first question. Write each of the following decimals in the expanded form. Okay. So question number 1, 16.5 expanded form means place value form. So the place value of 1 is 10, the place value of 6 is 6, and the place value of 5 is 5 upon 10 because 5 is in 10th place. So the place value of 5 is 5 upon 10. This is the answer. Okay. Question number 3. .493. Write the expanded form of decimal. So the place value of 5 is 50. The place value of 4 is 4. The place value of this 4. 4 is 10th place. So the place value of 4 is 4 upon 10. Place value of 9 is 9 upon 100. The place value of 3 is 3 upon 1000. This is the answer. This is the expanded form of decimal. Okay. So next part B. Write the short form of. Short form is question number 1. 70 plus 5 upon 10 plus 3 upon 1000. Okay. 70 point 5 upon 10 means 5 is in 10th place and 3 is 3 upon 1000 is 3 is in 1000th place. So we put in 3 in 1000th place. The right answer is 70.503. 70.503. Okay. Part C. Convert these decimals into a group of like decimals. Convert these decimals into a group of like decimals means 0.18, 15.7, 432 and 3.592. So students, first we find the number of decimal places. The number of decimal places. Number of decimal places means after decimals, how many digits are there? There are 2 digits after decimal. So number of decimal places is 2 here. Number of decimal places 1. Number of decimal places 0. Number of decimal places 3. So both all the number of places are different. So this is a unlike decimal. So convert this unlike decimal into like decimal. So first we convert. So first we convert the number of decimal places. Okay. Number of decimal places. The greatest number of decimal places is 3. So we put 10. We put 20. 30. It means first we change the number all the number of decimal places same. All the number of decimal places are same. So we can say this is a like decimal. This is a like decimal. Here the number of decimal places 3. Here also 3 and 3. So this is a like decimal. Okay. This is the method how to convert the unlike decimal into like decimal. Okay. Part D. Insert greater or smaller in the brackets. Means we have to find which decimal is greater or smaller. Which decimal is greater or smaller. Number 1. 5.9, 5.9, 5.329, 5.329. Here we compare. Here we compare all the places. 5 is in ones place. 5 is equal to 5. Point 9 is greater than 3. So we can say this. So sorry. First we change both the decimals into number of decimal places. Number of decimal places are equal. So now we compare. 5 is equal to 5. 9 is greater than 3. So we can say that this is 5.9 is greater than 5.3 to 9. 5.9 is greater than 5.3 to 9. Okay. Question number 3. Question number 3. 0.396. 0.396. 0.39. First we convert this unlike decimal into like decimal. Number of decimal places 3. Number of decimal places 2. So we convert the number of unlike decimal. Number of decimal places same. 3. Now compare. 0 is equal to 0. 3 is equal to 3. 9 is equal to 9. 6 is greater than 0. 6 is greater than 0. So this one is greater than this. Okay. Now part E. All the questions are same. Okay, students. So now come to part E. Add the decimals. Okay. Add 37.35, 12.063, 8. We have 3 decimals. Okay, 3 unlike decimals. So if we add the decimals, first we convert all the unlike decimals into like decimal. Okay, number of decimal places 2, number of decimal places 3, number of decimal places 0. So first we change the number of decimal places same. 37.350, 12.063, 8.000. The number of decimal places 3. Okay. Now these are like decimals. These are like decimals. Now add 37.350, 12.063, 8.000. Okay. 3, 6 plus 5, 11, carry 1, 3, 1, 4. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 7, 17, carry 1, 3 plus 1, 4, and 5. The answer is 57.413. Okay? The answer is 57.413. In given questions, we have 3 unlike decimals. First we convert these unlike decimals into like decimals and add them sequentially. Okay? So rest the question to yourself. Find the value of, okay? You can add, first change all the unlike decimals into like decimals and add them. Subtract and check your subtraction. Okay? The process is same. First we are part G. Part G. Subtract. Part G. Question number 1. 5.293. 5.293. And the second one is 10.16. Both the decimals are unlike decimal. So first convert unlike decimals into like decimals. 5.293, 10.160. Now subtract the greater number to the smaller number. 10.160 5.293, 7, 6, 8, 4. 4.867 is the right answer. 4.867 is the right answer. Okay. So students, rest all the questions are same. So you have to do all the questions yourself. Your exercise 5G is finished. In our next class, we will start next exercise 5B. So your today's homework is complete exercise 5C. Complete exercise 5C. Okay.